I didn't see you there. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Today we are in the suite room. It's wonderful and it's in the Palm Resort and Spa. And here I'll be showing you a tour inside the suite room. So let's get to the video.
I usually have an answer to the question, but this time I'm gonna be quiet.
Hold on a minute. Have you wondered what is special in Pasikuda? There's plenty of activities one can do here. Here are the things. Number 1. Snorkeling. Witness the magical underwater world, amazing creatures. Not only experts but beginners to enjoy with the assistance of snorkeling guide in Pasikuda. Number 2. Cycling. Very entertaining cycling trips are organized, so paddle away into the nice little village site near Pasikuda and breathe the fresh air. Number 3. Fishing. The blue long ocean awaits for the one keen to fish. The big catch of a day Batikulo is also known as Singing Fish Land. Therefore, fishing is a thriller activity all around the year. Number 4. Pigeon Island Visit. The nearest Pigeon Island is home to large flock of pigeons. We can go on a boat and experience the island with the guides with ease.